everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the very first video I'm doing in 2020. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and a very happy new year. If you're new to my channel then hi, my name is Kate and I make videos on a Monday and Thursday, or at least I try to, so let me know if you like those days, if you think they're good days to upload, because that's kind of what I've been doing for a while. I make videos on lifestyle, fashion, interiors, being a mum, vlogs, that kind of thing. So if you like the sound of that, I would love for you to come and join us and subscribe. There's a button just down there that you can click and it's completely free. So 2020 is kind of an exciting year for me because it marks my 10-year anniversary on YouTube. I cannot believe it. And it also marks the year that I turn 30. That's the first time I've said that this year. I turned 30 this year. Oh my god, I turned 30 this year. I started this channel when I was 19. Just about to turn 20, it's just crazy. And pretty much from the start I have done what I got for Christmas videos. So I say this every year, feel like a bit of a broken record. Every year I feel more and more silly making these videos because it didn't really matter back then. Like YouTube was very different and I was much younger. I was like just coming out of being a teen, so what I got for Christmas was like really important to me, I guess, or more important than it is now. And although I love all my presents, it's not really what Christmas is about for me anymore. Oh, I've got a headband on my wrist, let's take that off. But I feel like it's a tradition and people ask me when I'm doing this video, people look forward to it. So I wanted to still do it. But as long as you guys know, without the full long boring disclaimer, I am not bragging, I'm not trying to show off about the gifts that I received. It is quite a materialistic video, obviously, from the title. But I hope you enjoy it for what it is and you like it, so I'll link all of my past ones in the description box below, as I always do. Please go back to, I think it was 2011. That's a funny year. It might be my first one actually. But anyway, let's get into it. Without further ado, this is what I got for Christmas. Something that I have been lusting after for a very long time is this from Neom. Neom Organics is just a beautiful like skincare and natural like essential oils brand. I love everything about it, and for the longest time I have wanted to get one of their well-being pods. This is a diffuser and this is a really lovely one because the outside of it, I don't know if you can hear that, it's ceramic, so it's just like quite a luxe oil diffuser basically. It also has a light, so it gives the room a really nice soft glow, like a very like muted lamp kind of thing. And also you can put it on a 1, 2 or 3 hour timer, but the best thing about it is the essential oils that you can get from Neom. They are honestly the best smelling things ever. I learned all about them a year or two ago when I went to a breakfast with Nicola, the founder of the company, everything. So I learned a lot about them and it's one of the reasons I really love the brand. But in this set you get the 4 essential oils, and I can smell it just by opening the box. You get scent to sleep, scent to de-stress, scent to boost your energy, and scent to make you happy. So basically you can choose one that suits your current mood or state and put it on. My favourite scent is scent to sleep. It is gorgeous, but I honestly love all of them. And apparently the one that you like the smell of most at any particular time is the one that you need the most, which I thought was quite interesting. So anyway, Ricky got me this. I'm so grateful. I'm loving it so far. It's a beautiful, beautiful product. And I think because he ordered it on Black Friday, he also got this Energy Burst Eau de Parfum, like a perfume. So I haven't opened this yet, but yeah, I also got this Neom perfume, which I was not expecting. I won't go into who got me everything because this video I can already tell is going to be so long. But Ricky, I don't want to show my address, so I'm just going to show this part of it. Ricky got us tickets to go and see Dear Evan Hansen, which is a musical which is on Broadway currently, and it's just also transferred, or is now in the West End since November I think, and I love the soundtrack. I really wanted to go and see it, so we're going to go and see this in February. I'm very, very excited. So that is just amazing. And also he got me something from Jo Malone, which is always a lovely gift box and bag to receive, isn't it? So he got me, surprise, surprise, a candle. But apparently, I don't know if he's just saying this, but he didn't know this is my favourite one. So this is one of their, I think they're called Intense, the black ones. And this is Velvet, Rose and Oud. And it's my favourite scent that Jo Malone do. So I'm very excited to have this back. I have an empty one over there, which my mum actually got me quite a few years ago, and that's how I discovered I loved it. So yeah, very, very, very happy with those. I also got some lovely chocolates. Got these and these ones, some Thornton's ones. I've just knocked something on the floor. As you can see, let's be honest, they've already like mainly all gone. Like, yeah, they didn't last very long. So there are a few gifts I did get that aren't here because they have been eaten or drunk. But thank you so much because I'm a massive chocoholic, so I love those. I also got this cute girl boss, I can never say girl. I always say girl or girl. It's like a planner for 2020 and it's got like loads of cool things in there, so thanks Mum and Dad, that will be very handy. I also got this set of they're like Prosecco mixers, so 2 of them are already gone because I took them to my friend's house the other day for a party. But you get mandarin, mimosa, strawberry, rose, honey peach, passion fruit, and you basically just put them with Prosecco or, you know, just anything else, like to make a cocktail. So you could make like a porn star martini with the passion fruit one, you know, that kind of thing. So yeah, they were absolutely lovely. And I also got a pack of fluffy socks, because who doesn't want socks, especially fluffy socks in the winter? So these are always, you know, an essential Christmas gift, I think. So can't wait. Now that I've like after I've done this video, I can actually get things out and put them away. Couldn't resist eating the chocolates, but I have resisted most other things. So I got those from my nan. My nan and granddad also got me this cute little poncho. How sweet is that? I think it's from Matalan. I don't remember the last time I wore a poncho, but I mean, how cute is it? And it would just keep you really warm as well. So it's got tassels on the bottom, and yeah, that was just a really sweet gift. So they got me that. They also got me these really cool leopard print trainers, which I'm going to save until the weather is a little bit nicer, I think, because I don't want them to get ruined. But I love a leopard print pair of shoes or an accessory. So I just thought these were so cool, and I think they look really nice with like dresses and stuff in the spring. So thank you so much, they're really cute. I also got, to go with my Prosecco mixers, this little ring for Prosecco Bell and Pink Fizz milk chocolates. So basically when I want Prosecco, I'll just bring this and Ricky will run in with my glass of Prosecco. So I'm obviously quite excited for that. I got a little candle. This is one of the DW Home ones, which smell incredible. They're usually we usually get ours from like TK Maxx or Home Sense. The scents are really good, and this one is called Peony Petals, and it's actually a wood wick one, which crackle. I love those. And this to me just smells of spring, which I was so grateful for, because as much as I love Christmas, this part of the winter, like the January and February, I don't know about you, let me know in the comments below, I find the worst time of year, like it really gets me down. So yeah, let me know if you are the same. But this smell is like spring in a candle. And I feel happier just smelling that. How weird is that? So I'm really happy to have that, because as soon as Christmas is out of the way and we like look forward to all of that, I'm like, I just want it to be spring right now. So this is perfect. And then my mum and dad got me a lovely little set. So they got me this handbag, which is a Carvela bag, and it's this kind of mock, I guess it's crocodile, yeah, like a mock crocodile print or material. So this is really lovely. This is quite a large bag, so it would be nice when I like, maybe if I go into London for a meeting or something. Not that I do that often, but every now and again I do. This would be nice because I could actually fit my laptop in it, I think. So yeah, this is a lovely bag from Carvela, and they also got me to match, how cute, some brown boots. And again, they're like, I think these ones are maybe more, yeah, these are like a snake skin print. So they would look really nice together. I think my mum said these are from Nasty Gal. So I told you I couldn't say that. I might be wrong, but I'm sure that's where she said these were from. But they just look really nice. Oh dear, my pillows are going everywhere. Hope I haven't gone out of focus now because I've moved. But they got me these brown leather gloves. So like, if I wore it all together with a really like cute dress or an outfit, then it would all match and be really cute. I don't know where these were from, but they're so soft. I really, really like those. I also got some books, which I was so grateful for. So I got this Stay Positive book. This is How to Unlock Your Inner Optimist by Sophie Golding. And I've had a quick flick through it, and it's a lot of quotes and like tips and stuff like that. So this book will be really, really useful for me. I definitely need things like this in my life. And then my nan and granddad, oh, it's so heavy, got me the White Company book. I think this was released this year. It's called For the Love of White, The White and Neutral Home. My nan did know that I wanted this, so I was so excited for this. I haven't even properly looked through it yet, but I can't wait to sit down and go through that. It looks like an absolutely beautiful book from what I've seen online and stuff. And then, as a complete surprise, they also got me this Chanel coffee table book. I have honestly wanted this book for years, and she didn't even know. I think she said she found this one in Waterstones, but obviously you can get them on Amazon and stuff. But oh my goodness, I cannot wait again. Just have a cup of tea and a sit down and a read of this, because this is just so exciting to me. And I'm gonna pop these up on my shelves because I don't actually have a coffee table at the moment. A gift voucher for John Lewis, so that was very much appreciated. And I also got, which I was very excited about, this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I guess it's like a lip kit, because you get the Pillow Talk lipstick and then also a mini lip liner that matches. So again, I haven't tried it, but it's one I've wanted to try for ages because it's this gorgeous like pinky nude, and it just looks like the perfect colour. And this was always sold out over Christmas, so I was so excited to actually get my hands on it. So I got that, and when I put it on, I'll like do an Instagram story or something. I also got an ASOS voucher, but I just got this through yesterday because, you know me, if I have a voucher, it doesn't actually last very long. So I thought I'd just quickly show you the things I got. I'm not going to try them on because this video is already so long. I actually ordered, which I've been meaning to do for a while, but I always forget that ASOS do like skincare and makeup and stuff. So I've been really getting into my skincare a lot more recently. I want to do some more videos about that, because really serious that I want to do a whole series on getting my skin looking better and like following the journey. So let me know if you would be interested in that at all. I don't know, but this is a product by The Ordinary. This is a product by The Ordinary. It's the niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. Now, without going into it in this video, The Ordinary is like a quite scientific skincare brand, but the price points of everything are amazing. Like this was £6, and I've heard nothing but amazing things about niacinamide. It sounds really scary, like it sounds like a poisonous acid, but I will go into this in more detail if you want me to in another video. It basically helps with blemishes, redness, and stuff like that. So I picked that up, used it for the first time yesterday. So far so good. But yeah, you can get all of The Ordinary products on ASOS, and if you are a Premier customer like me, you get it the next day. So I was quite excited about that. I got some new slim fit joggers because they are just amazing, and I really want to style these with some pieces that I already have and with a blazer and stuff, so look out for those soon. Then I got a dress, which again, it's quite like a basic simple piece, but it looked so lovely, so hopefully it looks nice on. It's just a long knitted grey like maxi dress, like a bodycon one. I didn't realise how low the V was, so hopefully it'll be alright, but it just looks really nice. Like the front has a nice style to it, so I know I always try things on and then I can tell you exactly what I think, but as of right now I don't know. I guess if you see them popping up on my Instagram and in like styling videos, then you'll know that I liked them. And then I got this, going away with some friends this weekend, so I wanted a cute little like romper suit thing basically, and I saw this one. It reminds me of the ballet days, my ballet days, when you wore warm-up clothes. So basically it's a grey knitted, like basically massive baby grow. It has cuffs on the ankles, and then the top of it is like a wrap over. I'm not showing you this at all well, I know. And then it's got like this waistband on it, which is stretchy. It's got a drawstring. I don't know, I could just look like an overgrown baby in that, but it looked really cosy but also still looked cute. So we'll see. I need to go and try all of that on. The last thing that I wanted to show you, and I was kind of debating whether I should show you or not, because this is something that I got for myself as like a little Christmas present to me, and I don't want to come across as like, oh, I got a designer bag, but I know you guys just like to see this stuff, so please don't take it that way. Hopefully anyone that doesn't watch these kind of videos, if you get what I mean. But anyway, I treated myself to a bag. It was actually just after Christmas because I got it in the sales, and it is a Chloe bag. I have always wanted, part of the box on it, I've always wanted a Chloe bag, and when I saw this one I decided to treat myself to it. So this is the Chloe, oh my god, I haven't properly used it yet. This is the Chloe mini sea bag, I think that's what it's called. I'll try and link it below so you can see it properly. I got it from Net-a-Porter. It was originally £800 and I got it for I think £5.60. So obviously it's very expensive. It is very expensive, there's nothing more I can say, but I told you in my video where I bought my vintage Louis Vuitton that I am, over the years, going to try and build up a little bit of a designer handbag collection. As I get older, it's just something that I get more and more interested in, and like the, you know, the investing in bags part of it. Obviously, probably the bags I've got right now are not bags that, you know, will make money in the future, but you know what I'm trying to say. I don't need to justify it. I got myself a Chloe bag. It's just a really nice size, so it's a crossbody bag, or you could just wear it over your shoulder. It's a chain bag, but it's got this leather section which I really like because chains just really dig into your shoulder. And then for quite a small bag, it's actually quite spacious. So I don't know how well you can see, but I would definitely fit my phone in there, my thin wallet, keys, a bit of makeup, and probably, if at a squeeze, my vlogging camera as well. And it has a pocket on the back, and then the bag is leather with a small like suede detail here, which I'm a little bit worried about, but I am going to get, and if anyone can recommend me any, that would be great, some leather protection spray and some suede protection spray to hopefully help it out a bit, because I see on the second-hand like vintage and vestiaire websites a lot of bags in this colour depreciate in value because the backs are kind of like dyed with jean, like blue ink and stuff, you know, from being worn over the years. So I would love to protect it as much as possible and actually, you know, look after these things that I'm spending like a lot of my money on. So yeah, I love this. Can't wait to take her out for her first little spin. But yeah, Chloe bag. I feel like I am definitely forgetting something or some things. I hate when I do this because I feel like the person will think I'm not grateful, but it could be that I've already used it. Like, I already know Ricky got me a Cath Kidston mug, but it's downstairs in the cupboard. So anyway, that's what I'm going to show you for today, but I'm so grateful for all of my gifts every single year and for the thoughtfulness that goes into it from all of my family. I hope, like I said, I hope you had a lovely Christmas. I hope you're excited to be in a brand new year. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what videos you'd like to see from me coming up this year. If you'd like to see a skincare one, let me know how you're feeling about this winter that we're about to kind of go into, because let's face it, December isn't even really cold anymore. It's January and February that are cold. But anyway, I'm gonna stop waffling on. Hope you enjoyed this video and I will speak to you very soon. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye!